Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to another video with a brand new tutorial. So in this video I will be talking about how to record your computer screen by using OBS screen recorder. OBS is a free software. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will download the OBS installation file. Simply search writing OBS on Google search bar. And the first website is the official website of OBS Studio. So click on it and open a new tab. And this is the official website of OBS Studio. So you can download from here as per your computer operating systems. Now click on the installation file and click on next, and the file will be installed automatically. After installation is completed, it will automatically launched. And this is the basic interface of OBS Studio. After the installation is completed, we will open the app simply double clicking on it. So OBS Studio is generally a streaming software which is regularly used in streaming from Facebook and YouTube. You need to add a scene and you can use these icons to create a scene and rearrange them by using these icons. And under every scene there will be some sources like audio, video, still image, maybe free text, etc. For the first time use, OBS already created a scene that I'm gonna use. To use that scene, I'm gonna customize that as per my own choice. Let it be screen record. After the scene creation is completed, we're gonna add some sources under this scene. So I'm gonna use the plus icon to add some sources. For this, I am going to use the display capture here to record my computer screen. I can also name it here and make sure here the box is checked. If it is unchecked, then check this box. And hit OK. And this is the window you are going to use. And if you want to capture the cursor pointer also, then check this box also and hit OK. Now we can see a red border, which means this is the preview window. You can resize it by your own by dragging the corner points and customize it as your choice. Or you may drag it to full screen. And you can use this icon to show or hide the preview window of this source. And when you think the source is okay, then click on this lock icon and then the source will not move anywhere and the source will be fixed. And this is the audio peak meter, which is showing us desktop audio peak meter. You can play with this slider. Any desktop sound will be recorded through this desktop audio peak meter. For example, I am clicking on volume button and check the peak meter. You can also hide this meter by clicking on the settings icon. So when recording my computer screen, I want to record my voice with computer audio also. And that's why I have to add an audio input source. So you have to select your microphone here. In my case, I am using my webcam microphone here and I am selecting this general webcam and hit OK. Now look at the audio input capture peak meter. Here it started capturing my voice already. You can also hide this preview peak meter by clicking this icon, and by clicking again, the audio input capture will be shown. When you think the scenery is ready, You can lock this by clicking on this lock icon. And now we are ready to record the screen. So here we go. Let's start recording. And look here, OBS Studio is started capturing already my whole screen and started counting the time here. So I will minimize the OBS window and do something that I need to be recorded. After the recording is completed, I will maximize the OBS window and stop recording. The default location for recording videos will be this PC, and under this PC, videos folder. And this is the recording file that I have just recorded. So let's see how is it. So let's see whether it is actually recorded or not. And you can see the recorded file is playing now through my Windows Media Player. And thanks for watching the full video. And give a big thumbs up the video and subscribe the channel if you are not a subscriber, and comment below how was the tutorial. And if you have done this already, thanks a lot. Keep supporting.